Hi, I'm Jim Hunt, and we are at MarineMax in beautiful Naples, Florida. We're on board one of the first 2025 Boston Whaler 320 Vantages that are out, and she is decked out, ready to go. She has the beautiful ice blue color, which is a little bit different than her light blue gel coat that most people are used to. But let's walk around the boat and really see how much of a multi-function boat this is. What's beautiful is the cockpit area is set up so you can actually have seating in the back of the boat and actually set it up so exactly what you need. Huge back seat across the way there, which is really nice and open and can even be connected with the side seat, which actually jumps down so you can go ahead and put that in. When you need the cockpit open, what is nice is this seat can come up. This seat can go away, and you just turn this area into a huge play area for fishing, for diving, for snorkeling, for swimming, or just having snacks on the back of the boat. You can see she's powered with the new V10 400s, which are amazing engines and really give this boat a nice punch as she's coming out of the hull, and also her speed, cruise speed, just as a comfortable 32 to 35 miles an hour. As you come forward, you can really see how the port side seat really changes shape because you can turn it into a full lounger, both facing forward and also facing aft, which is great because the seat will go in both directions. What's also nice is when the seat is up, you can go ahead and have the front seat spin around and join the rest of the party as it's sitting in there, and also put a table underneath here so that you're covered if you're actually having a bit of food. Because this boat is set up with not only a beautiful grill set up right on the starboard side, but she also has her refrigerator built in right underneath it and sink area, so it's establishing a great summer kitchen. She is a perfect entertainer because she does have the Sure Shade system that goes out the back of the boat or goes off the top of the hardtop and covers the back of the boat. She also has the premium audio system to when the play gets a little rambunctious, the boat keeps right up with everybody else. As you can see, she's equipped with the Simrad electronics and also has the VHF radio and also the joystick piloting system, which is right off to the side. All the joystick piloting boats from Boston Whaler do have the auto trim for the engine's active trim built right into it. You can also see she has a great spacious cabin built on. Don't know if you'll sleep on the boat, but it's perfect for dry storage and also storing all your guest gear. As you move forward, you can see her head is very spacious as well, so great easy access to it from the front or from the side walk through. And then also you can see the real structure and bones of a Boston Whaler by the depth and actually strength of her windshield as it's built in. The bow area as you come forward, definitely spacious across the board. She's outfitted with the bow filler cushion as well, windlass anchor, and also has the bow ladder as well. What's also nice is you do have your handhold coming up and can actually get up the ladder very easily, and even a built-in shower right on the side so you can rinse off before you even jump on the boat. Thank you for joining us here at MarineMax Naples. My name's Jim Hunt. Ask for me when you come in.